All right, we have a very scientific method. Maybe we got it, maybe we didn't. Where do you got it? Where was it, Doug? Right here? This? Yeah. I'm just gonna do a really generous hole. Oh God, you know what? I'm hitting more of that like block or whatever that stuff was. You know what it looked like? It looked like pavers that you do a patio with. It was kind of like a composite concrete like that. And it's only about, I'd say 3 inches in. And I can feel the thing hitting it again. It's not a rock, but I'm gonna do a fairly big plug and take this totally out of here. I don't know how deep it is. We'll just see what's in here. I don't know. There's definitely something here. I'm not an expert, but I think it's in there. You can get it out of there?
Got it.
My nice new clean gloves and get these things dirtied up. What do you think? Oh, wow. I see a penny. Is it a coin? No, it's just the imprint on there. So that looks like, I'm going to guess that's probably, but the readings we were getting, that's probably a copper, but it's just a plain Lincoln Memorial. Very, soil's got like a sandy component to it. It's not like real good black dirt. Let's see if anything else. That was it.
I turned it off.
All right. Oh yeah, I'm not picking up anything. Just try it again. See if anything else. No, that was it. We found a penny and some big copper thing. This was the 1080p test, so that was it. I want to see how 1080p looks. How does that look? Yep.